So this is my room at the Premier Inn Talgarth Road in Hammersmith. Something I haven't seen in the other Premier Inns, they've got like a light key. So you used to have to put your room key in there to keep the lights on. But actually this one, they've got a light key. I'm in room 448. So same as all the other Premier Inns, got the coat hooks, mirror with hairdryer, and then you've got obviously your full length mirror there with the coat hangers and the pillows. TV, desk, chair. Yeah, pretty standard, very much like the other ones I've stayed in. Got your USB and plugs by the bed, your lights, reading lights and things. Little chair. View out towards Hammersmith. So yeah, tea, coffee. Got food menu, drinks menu. And then let's look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, so you've got sink, toilet, and then as it's a new Premier Inn, it just has a shower. It's not like the other ones where they've changed the bath into a shower. It's actually built with just a little shower. But it'll do the job. It's got 2 shower heads on it, so that's good. So yeah, Premier Inn, London, Talgarth Road in Hammersmith.